Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll take just a moment to talk about a sound's envelope. When a note sounds, it doesn't last forever. It rises in volume, lasts a short time, and then falls back to silence. This rise and fall is called the envelope. Most envelopes have 4 sections: attack, decay, sustain, and release. During the attack, a note rises from silence to maximum volume. Then it decays from max volume to some mid-range volume. The mid-level is the sustain portion. During the release, the note falls from its sustain back to silence. These 4 sections, attack, decay, sustain, and release, are controls in many effects plugins like reverb, for example. Understanding the natural characteristic of the instrument you're working with is going to help you manage the plugin controls to optimal effect. Percussion, like drum hits, have rapid attack and decay. Strings last longer with slower attacks and longer sustains. Guitar plucks and cymbal crashes have quick attacks but slow releases since they fade out slowly. And this concludes our tutorial about sound envelopes. In our next tutorial, we're going to talk about sound as it starts bouncing around your studio.